Welcome to AirLogic's product highlight video about our inline air filters. So we make a variety of different inline barbed air filters for tubing connections. We make them from like 5 micron up to 73 micron filtration levels for both single-use devices where the filter gets thrown out every time it gets used, all the way up to filters that are going to last the lifetime with the product that it's in. They can be used, like I said, a couple different ways there. They can also be used in tandem with other filters. So some systems will have a big system-wide filter that's going to filter all the incoming air to a device, and then maybe there's a certain circuit that needs just another extra layer of protection or a different filtration size. Then people will use these going down that alternative path in the system design to make sure they get the right filtration level there. So we got a couple different sizes here. You can see these two are probably our most common sizes here, with 16-inch ID tubing and a 1/8-inch ID tubing. We also have this tiny little filter here. I'm gonna pick this up and try to show that off. That is just an absolutely tiny little filter here. So when you're really trying to keep your device as small as possible, we have that filter level too. So that was actually a special request a couple years ago for one company's design, and then we released it to the just put it in our catalog, and we've had a lot of great adoption of that. So yeah, people are always trying to shrink the size of their device. They're always trying to save space, reduce weight. So that's a great little one if you're trying to do that with your device. So I also wanted to go over one last thing that some people run into that they use these filters for. So a lot of times when you're assembling your device, you think that all the contamination is going to come from the incoming air. But there's one scenario that people forget about a lot, and that is the debris that can get created just by assembling your device. So if you have a manifold or any type of assembly that you're going to put a bunch of components together on, you can actually get debris that's created, something like a Teflon tape. So if you have Teflon tape around some threads, when you're putting that in your system, maybe some Teflon tape breaks off. Or if you had some machining done in a pocket of your system, maybe there's a couple burrs left over. And when you turn your system on, that's going to flow through your system. So people will put these filters in place with the mindset that once in a while some debris is going to get created just with the assembly of their product. And this is going to protect them from any of those issues. Thanks for checking out AirLogic's inline filter. If you're looking for, like I said, a single-use filter, or if you're trying to protect something special in your device, these are here to help you. Thanks for sticking around. Please reach out with any questions.